everyone, you are watching Daily Market Review with me, Ismailova Slava, Grand Capital Financial Analyst. Today, as usually, we are going to start with intraday Euro-US dollar. Layers of resistance between Tuesday's high at 1.396 and Ishimoku cloud resistance on the weekly chart at 1.4084 are likely to remain a decisive hurdle for the euro rally. Underlying euro bull momentum is beginning to wane, and there is risk for a setback towards 1.3822 and 1.3776. However, only below 1.3776 would put euro bears on control. Weekly chart Euro-US dollar trend is bearish. Now let us see what is happening with US dollar Japanese yen. A push below 75.9 knot would bring Tuesday's all-time low at 75.73 back into focus. The recently completed bear pennant continuation pattern on the daily chart indicates the direction of the dominant trend, and new lows towards 75.25 cannot be ruled out. A recovery above 76.16 is required to provide respite, opening 76.31. However, solid resistance lies at 76.6 knot. Weekly chart US dollar Japanese yen trend is bearish. Let us get to intraday Great Britain pound US dollar. More Great Britain pound gains are expected to meet the minimum upside target at 1.607 knot. However, having negated Tuesday's neutralizing doji candle, upside scope has been created for 1.6211 and 1.63595. Only a reversal below Tuesday's low at 1.5958 would negate the Great Britain pound bullish outlook, exposing 1.585 knot. Weekly chart Great Britain pound US dollar trend is bullish. Intraday US dollar Swiss franc remains on course for more weakness to 0.8645. Fresh 5-week lows are being set, leaving the October 12th reaction low at 0.9082 stranded and exposing a downwave equality target at 0.8645. This target ties in with the previous high reaction low also at 0.8645. Only a clean break above projected resistance at 0.897 knot would question the US dollar bearish outlook. Weekly chart US dollar Swiss franc trend is bearish. And let us get finished with intraday Australian dollar US dollar. Australian dollar bulls will remain in control while projected support at 1.0246 holds. The recently completed bull pennant on the daily chart creates upside scope to 1.057 knot, and while support at 1.0246 remains intact, further gains to the key 1.0666, 1.0683 resistance area cannot be ruled out. A push below 1.0246 would concern Australian dollar bulls and leave the 1.0118, 1.0147 lows exposed. Weekly chart Australian dollar US dollar trend is bullish. You have watched Daily Market Review with me, Ismailova Slava. See further details on our site, grandcapital.net. I wish you good trade and see you later.